Welcome to 12753 Upper Ridge Road here in Conifer, Colorado. This beautiful home is situated on 40 awesome acres covered in trees. You're in this home with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it offers up 8 car spaces for all your vehicles and toys. So this kitchen has been completely redesigned, upgraded in the last 3 years by the current sellers with brand new stone, imported stone countertops, all new appliances, and all new features and flooring here in this wonderful kitchen. The primary suite of this home has again been completely redesigned and updated. This primary bath has all new stone counters, soaking tub, flooring, and a completely redesigned shower space, leading into a massive walk-in closet. So if you or anyone you know would like a private personal tour of this wonderful mountain estate, give me a call or send me a text at 720-314-8462.